National trial attorney Michael Jaafar. He is in Michigan. Mike, we don't know a ton about the state's case. We know that there, was some bloody clothing found at him, and they zeroed in on him shortly after the incident because you had all these people coming out of the woodwork saying, "Oh, you got to look at him because she was scared of him." At the end of the day, it's easy to point fingers at the person that was that guy that, she was scared of, but there's got to be more to it than that. And I guess the bloody clothing is going to be real big.
I fully agree. I fully agree. And my opinion on these investigations now has changed in the past 10 years. And here's why. Here's what I'm going to say. The police and the detectives who investigated this know things we don't know. I'm assuming, this is a prediction, I'm assuming that there's a bunch of forensic evidence, telephone evidence, tracking evidence that we don't yet know, but we're going to find out about soon. Because for them to, arrest a guy, the overwhelming majority of people who are arrested in murders like this end up getting convicted. Why? Especially these days, because the overwhelming amount of investigative tools that investigators have far surpassed what we had 20 years ago and what we had growing up. So we don't know much, but we're going to find out a lot. Yeah, the bloody clothing is going to be a big deal. They've undoubtedly ran tests, but there's other stuff that have connected him to this murder. We'll find out about it.